Hi, welcome to the Action Research Month 2 Literature Review video. This is part 1 and I am Roxanne DeLeon. The objective for part 1 is to break down the monthly writing process of the literature review. What is the purpose of a literature review? Simply put, it is a review of scholarly writings on a particular topic. You want to inform the reader about the research currently in the field to give academic support to your research topic. Your research will inform the reader what is currently happening, what has been researched, identify other data which has been collected to see what other researchers have done in relationship to your project. You want to find support for your research, either support or refute your research. This research should also impact and influence and possibly even drive your cycle implementation. These are all the parts to write a lit review. Each one, step by step, comprises an entire APA formatted literature review. And now I am going to break up the writing process by month for you. Before I get started on the monthly writing process, I would like to touch base on the overall writing process, how to get started. You want to look at your environment, select a target audience, and decide on a problem and how you'd like to improve it within your environment. The next step is to gather resources about that problem and improvement. So for example, if you've decided that your problem is a lack of motivation in your environment and that you'd like to improve it by integrating technology, you're going to find articles based on motivation and technology integration. You want to play around with key terms as you're searching articles, and you will locate articles that pique your interest. You always find more articles than you will use within your literature review. One other subtopic that we have added is a learning theory. So once you decide on the learning theory of how you're going to implement your cycle with your target audience, then you're going to also locate articles about that learning theory. So by the end of month 2, you will have 20 articles based on the problem, the improvement, and a learning theory. Some type of technology should be interwoven within your paper. That usually happens organically if you're not going to have a specific subtopic about technology. One other suggestion that I do have as you're skimming your articles, reading through them, you want to organize them. You can organize them by topic, keywords, ideas, whatever system you decide, whatever system helps you select your 3 subtopics and the articles that you're going to use to write about in your literature review. Now for the monthly process. Do you have any questions? Review the literature review section on the Action Research informational site. Write them down. Come to the literature review WIMBA session. We will be discussing your 3 subtopics, answering all your questions, and an opportunity for an open-ended discussion so that you will truly understand the writing process. I hope you enjoyed part 1. Please be sure to view part 2 and 3. Signing off, Roxanne DeLeon.